With the all-new 2022 Tundra, Toyota's legendary truck expertise has entered a whole new generation. Designed and assembled in the US, this truck rewrites the book on what a full-size pickup can be. And this 3-part video series will show what that means with a closer look at the amazing engineering inside Tundra. In this video, we'll learn what it takes to get Tundra's incredible engine power to the ground. First up, the transmission. This critical component is responsible for taking the power from the engine and sending it out to the wheels at exactly the right speed for the situation, whether that's cruising the highway or climbing over a boulder. And for the new Tundra, there's no shortage of gears to choose from, since this automatic transmission features 10 different forward speeds. This transmission features a brand new extra flat torque converter that's designed to reduce slip loss for excellent efficiency, while simultaneously delivering an excellent shifting feel through its responsive direct solenoid setup. Everything about this transmission has been designed with efficiency, durability, and performance in mind. That's why the case is being made from strong and lightweight aluminum. It's why the oil circulation system is designed to maintain pressure and flow under a wide range of situations. And it's even why a breather valve is mounted high up to help keep water from entering the transmission during serious off-roading. Tundra is a Toyota, and that means off-roading is in its DNA. That's why every grade can be equipped with Toyota's 4-wheel demand part-time 4-wheel drive system. This system uses a transfer case to direct engine power to the front differential, which can then provide additional traction from the front wheels to keep Tundra going when the going gets rough. And as icing on the cake, engaging 4-wheel drive now occurs twice as fast as in the previous generation. Plus, since this is a 2-speed transfer case, it can also activate a low-range gear ratio when in 4-wheel drive mode, which multiplies available torque to help Tundra clear especially challenging obstacles. And heading to the rear wheels, a redesigned and strengthened 2-piece propeller shaft features enlarged joints to accommodate Tundra's increased torque output, while short wheelbase models now feature a lighter 1-piece prop shaft. Naturally, the rear end itself is completely new as well, with TRD off-road 4x4 models now featuring an electronically locking rear differential, a first for Tundra. This feature can lock the power flow so that it splits evenly to both left and right rear wheels, meaning that the adventure won't end if one gets stuck spinning in the mud. It goes far beyond locking differentials, however, with this new drivetrain helping provide Tundra with a number of advanced available features. Offered on SR5 grades and above, these include situation-specific drive modes that affect transmission and drivetrain behavior, including not just the usual sport and eco modes, but also 2 distinct tow-haul settings depending on the job at hand. Also new for the Tundra line is Multi-Terrain Select, an available feature that allows drivers to customize the traction behavior based on various environments like snow or sand, as well as Crawl Control, an available system that can manage acceleration and braking in one of 5 low-speed settings, allowing drivers to focus on steering and navigating. So that's a quick look at the components responsible for turning Tundra's incredible engine output into usable power on the ground. From the standard 10-speed automatic transmission to the available locking rear differential, Tundra's driveline system is built for the long haul, wherever that may lead. This mentality is a big reason why Toyota has the reputation it does when it comes to delivering quality, durability, and reliability. Now combine that with ownership perks like the Toyota Care maintenance plan with roadside assistance, and it's obvious why owners swear by their Toyotas. To learn even more about Tundra, be sure to check out Toyota's YouTube channel or visit toyota.com/Tundra.